What's going on, you guys? Good Investor here. I hope you're all well. Here with a new video, I wanted to talk about a couple of really big news that happened around Dogecoin and some of the really good market updates that I wanted to give you today on this video. Just a little side note, in case you like the video at any point in time, you know what to do. If not, don't worry about it as well. Just have a wonderful, wonderful day. Without further ado, let's deep dive into the video right away. So let's talk a little bit on the stock market. The stock market did pretty good today with the techs coming back and tech stocks coming back. And we can see here at NASDAQ that NASDAQ is up about 2.5%, which is phenomenal. And as you know, a lot of my portfolio on the stock market, it's actually based on basically all the tech stocks. So this was a great day for the portfolio, and I hope the same happened to yours as well. So that was a little great news there. Another one is, which is the main part of this video making, is on this news. So as we can see, first of all, let's go what is going on the Doge side. So if we go right here, we can see that actually Doge is having an amazing day. For the past 24 hours, it has been up about 17%, which is great. It had an even bigger rally within the middle of the day, but we can see that it has actually a great pricing range right now. If we look back at 1 year, we can see that there have been a massive downturn right after the SNL, as we all know. We've talked about it in a couple of videos already, and we can see here that it is actually recovering. So now you may ask, what exactly is happening? In case you didn't know, if we go to this article, as I mentioned initially, a couple of things happened. First of all, the Coinbase listing. So Coinbase announced actually yesterday that within the next 6 to 8 weeks, Dogecoin will be actually available on Coinbase. So anyone can trade, buy and sell right there on Coinbase, which is a massive news for a couple of reasons. Because a lot of people right now are finding it difficult to find a place to trade Dogecoin. And the only option so far that a lot of investors are choosing is through Robinhood. And as we all know, Robinhood has its own issues, and not only with the price difference, but also when you actually need to sell or actually need to buy, there could be some glitches around the app. So definitely this could be potentially a solution to many investors to go ahead and find an alternative for buying a Dogecoin on their portfolio. So definitely a massive news for those of you who are planning to invest, and I'm personally invested on Dogecoin as well. So that was a great news to hear. And another thing on the Coinbase side though, something that people could be cautious around is that we all know that Coinbase is charging fees for every single transaction that you're making on any cryptocurrency, and it would be most probably included for Dogecoin as well. So something that Robinhood is better than other exchanges, including Coinbase, is that they're not charging any additional fees. So that could scare some of the investors as well. So something to be cautious around. However, in Coinbase, you actually would own real Doge, which I'm pretty sure you would have a Doge wallet where you can buy and sell goods as well using your Doge. So for day-to-day transactions, which is massive, because if you had that, so that would actually allow more people to invest into Doge, which could actually reflect on the Doge price as well. So great news on that side, which actually helped the price of the coin to go up. And of course, another thing, as we know, Papa Elon have been talking a lot about it, and recently he, when I say Papa Elon, I obviously mean Elon Musk. So Elon Musk actually tweeted today that it is actually a very big tweet. In case you didn't know, it's actually this. It says, working with Doge development team to improve system transaction efficiency, potentially promising. So as we all know, Elon Musk on Wednesday came on with a tweet of saying that they're no longer accepting Bitcoin for now due to the some of the environmental issues Bitcoin mining is causing. And because of that, they said they would be looking for some alternative cryptocurrencies for that. So we can see that it is something that could be Doge being replacing Bitcoin. So obviously great news, and we made a video yesterday, as you know. I brought up this Excel chart, which is beautifully actually shows the energy usage of different cryptocurrencies, Dogecoin included, and we can see that Dogecoin was actually one of the favorites. So yesterday I called it out, and it being the top 3 cryptos that could be potentially replacing Bitcoin. And of course, the first one, I still think that Ethereum phase 2 would be the one of the top choices for a number of reasons that I mentioned yesterday. In case you haven't watched it, feel free to go to the channel and find that video as well. And another one is Cardano, and last but not the least, Dogecoin. And as we can see, Dogecoin has more news today, something that really good thing for a Doge price. And we saw that here, Doge is actually very environmentally friendly as well, if we look as a percentage of energy use comparing to Bitcoin. So definitely very promising on that side. However, knowing Elon Musk, this could be just a tweet. I just want to make sure that we all are on the same page. Nothing is specified what exactly this improve the system means. So we don't know what exactly would happen there. And a lot of things are still under question, and I would definitely make sure I'll make a new video if anything available. But so far, it just says that there is something potentially happening. Boom, that's it. So nobody commented on that as well. And as we can see that here, for example, it says that a current Dogecoin developer did not answer questions about a potential collaboration with Musk by press time. So definitely something to be aware of. And we all know how Elon Musk is. Sometimes it could be that it's just a joke or something like that. So definitely making sure that everyone is on the same page. Other than that, this could be actually a good thing if by the time, I don't know, if they, with this system transaction improvement, come up with a solution of actually reducing the supply of Dogecoin that is produced every year, that could actually improve a lot on the Dogecoin price, and a lot of skepticism could be washed out only by that. So a lot of things coming up. Make sure you follow all the videos to make sure that you're not missing any news. Other than that, thank you very much for joining me. I'll talk to you later.